feeling all right? Papa said that when you hold a soul, it makes you get better. I'm sick too, so I'm not giving it to you. Yay! Yay! Yay!
Come on now. Give it up. Throw away all them worries. Oh, it's you. Did you manage to pick up any souls? So, you only brought me one, huh? Shall I take it? Hey, thanks a lot. Here, I'll stamp your card for you. Well, would you look at that? While we've been here jabbering, a whole bunch of new guests moved in, and they got souls too. Good luck there, buddy!
Seeing flames, flames of deepest crimson. You shall soon be consumed by the flames of ruin.
What are you babbling about? What a complete load of baloney.
You cannot escape your fate.
Judgment! Here we have a hotel manager, trapped in a prophecy of doom. What will you do? What will you do?
For the love of... I'm surrounded by idiots.
Gregory, your mother was looking for you.
What? I don't remember being summoned.
So, are you hiding something? Or is your conscience clear? What is it, Gregory?
My conscience is clear. I'm not hiding anything from Mama.
Here we go. Because of you, your mama's precious souls were stolen. You're in deep trouble. That's the truth, buddy boy. See ya.
Gregory!
Mama, he's lying. It's all a bunch of lies.
Silence! I knew there were too few souls. Care to explain?
Mama, you've got the wrong idea.
I'll see you later in my room.
Oh, no. Whew, what a day. I really didn't want to unlock this door, but...
The secret is in the sauce. Smoking is cuisine's foe.